Hey guys, and what is up? So I am so excited. So I just got my squad box and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So I am so excited. I went ahead and laid everything out on my desk to just make it easier on us because there's a lot of stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you all everything that I got, but I'm just gonna kind of display it up, and then I'm also gonna post some videos, some more detailed like flip throughs of sticker books, and also showing you all the planners and actually flipping through them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first one that I got here is the big faith planner, and this is part of their marble faith planner collection, or faith collection. That is so pretty. I also got the Faith Happy Notes. So this is just a regular note paper, but it is from their marble collection. I also got a classic 12-month Faith planner, and it is in the Faith layout. So exciting. Okay, and then I got another big from their Faith collection. Yes, from their Faith collection. And then I got the mini. So this is so pretty. I love these colors. So I'm so excited about that. And then I got this faith, not a faith planner. This is a vertical layout planner. I believe this is from their neutral collection or their blush pinks. I'll have to double check, but like I said, I am gonna do a detailed flip of everything, and I can go through and actually tell you all more information about them, what collection they're from, and also tell you where they're gonna be available. So that is what this looks like. And then I got the 12-month monthly layout from the Papillon. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, if I'm being honest, but look how pretty this is. I love the bright colors, and this copper detail in here is just so beautiful. And I love that they used the hot pink discs to bring out all the pinks from the butterflies. Oh, and then I missed one faith planner. I have another one here. So this is from their marble faith collection. So cute. And then I got the daily page layout planner from their Papillon. I'm not exactly sure collection. So this is so pretty. Look at these discs, you guys. These are metal discs, so that is gorgeous. And then the accessories that I got, I did get the snap-in soft cover. Beautiful. And it does have like polka dots, like kind of like pressed on, like embossed. I'm not even sure how to say that, but that's what that looks like. And I'll do more detail flips of everything, like I said. I did get the paper from their Faith collection, the Marble Faith. And look at this spine, you guys. Like, isn't that beautiful? And it is foiled with gold. I got the pen loops from their Faith collection because these are crosses, but you can use that however you choose to if you'd like it. I did also get the stickers from the Marble Faith. Cute. I got the accessory pack from the Marble Faith as well. The extension pack from Marble Faith. So pretty. And then I got the discs. So that is so gorgeous. Like, I love those. So excited. And then, oh, I missed one. I got the skinny classic faith planner. Now it says it's a faith planner, but it's just the regular layout, but it's so pretty. I love that it's gold on the outside. And then I also got this mini planner from their Papillon collection. And then I got the Reach New Heights sticker pad. And then onto sticker books, you guys. Look. Ah! How exciting. So I got the Walk by Faith sticker book. So pretty. The Marble Faith. The Papillon. Ah, so beautiful. These are so pretty, you guys. Like, I don't know if you can see all of those, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, sorry guys, but look at these. Look how beautiful they are. I don't know if you can see that, but they're absolutely gorgeous. I got the Bold and Blush. So Bold and Blush, I think it's with that planner I showed y'all. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I'll double check, but I'll definitely go into detail of what they're from. And then I got the neutral watercolors, the abstract watercolors, the Marabou designs in the big. So I did get the Marabou design sticker book, but I'm pretty sure I got the classic and not the big. So I'm really excited about that because I love those stickers. And I got Color Story Mini. This is what this one is. And then Color Story in the big. So yay, I'm so excited to use everything and show you all how I'm gonna use it all. I am gonna go ahead and post a detailed flip of the sticker books and also go into detail of each of the things that I got. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you wanna watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye.